My portable air conditioner won't stop cooling.
What's the brand and model of your AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
Delonghi Pinguino Packin 270G1W a week ago.
How long has this been going on with your Delonghi air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
Since I emptied the water reservoir thing about a week ago. I've tried turning it off, unplugging it for 10 minutes, cycling it through the different modes, recleaning the filter, reemptying the reservoir.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I've also tried making sure no hot air is venting from the air vent. By hot air I mean into the room. Also, when it's been off for a while it knows what the temperature in the room is. By that I mean say the room is 75 and you set it at 76, it won't start until you set it to 75 or lower. Then it won't turn off.
The hot air vent needs to be vented outside the room. Or else it's going to recycle this hot air through the intake evaporator and work much harder to cool. Thus not shutting off. Can you give me the temperature difference between the where air comes in at the filter and cooling vents? This will help us a lot. LMK. Thanks.
I have a thermometer near the back of the machine and the temperature steadily drops. The hose is connected to the outside but it gets extremely hot. The air that blows out of the machine is ice cold. I don't think there is a leak of a hot air near the back of the machine, but I will check again.
Okay. If it's not shutting off, it could be a stuck relay or bad thermostat. More than likely a bad thermostat.
If it's a bad thermostat, why would it not turn on until it hit the specified temperature? I mean, I get the bad thermostat part for the not turning off part, but I don't know why it would wait to start then. If I do need to replace the thermostat, how would I do that?
Is the room temp reaching the temp the unit is set at? Sorry, I have to ask a lot of questions to help you.
You're fine. So let's say the room temp is at 75 and you want it down to 74. If you set it to 74, it will turn on and run forever until you turn it up to like 89 and then the compressor will shut off. Once the compressor has been off for a while and the room is back to about 75, the compressor won't kick back on till it's set at or below 75 again.
Okay. So it's cooling fine, but the room temp is getting way below the set point.
Correct. We will set it to say 74 and it will cool to like 65 before we give up and turn it up so that the compressor will shut off. Now it worked just fine until I emptied the water and cleaned the filter about a week to 2 weeks ago.
Okay. Well, I'm still leaning towards a bad stat. Somehow the deadband has gotten messed up. But some of these stats have an adjustable deadband. Most from the factory are set to 2 degrees. For X. If it's set at 75, it will come on but shut off at 73. This helps with the run cycles of the compressor. I'll be honest, there's a lot of different problems that can cause this. Cracked solder joint on the control board. A bare wire somewhere in the control wiring. I just want to give you all the details I can. But if you go looking into their issue, please turn off the power. And discharge any capacitors in the control cab. They can and will hold a charge if they don't have a bleed resistor. Even at that, I don't trust them to be discharged. I know. Ouch. But please be careful, and I hope I've helped you get a grasp on this problem. And LMK. I'll be off until 9:00.
What do you suggest I go looking for exactly, or replace for that matter?
I suggest replacing the thermostat. The main thing is be careful when installing the sensing bulb. If it cracks, it's useless.
Okay, thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.